Welcome to Speak Easy English. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
What is your name?
My name is John. What's yours?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a run in the park.
What time do you go to work or school?
I leave for school at 7:30 a.m.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to play video games and read books.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football on weekends.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading mystery novels. Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening. My favorite show is about cooking. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my brother.
How old is your brother?
He is 12 years old.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Does your mother work?
Yes, my mother is a teacher.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually eat rice and vegetables for lunch.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking on weekends.
What subjects do you study at school?
I study math, English, and science.
Which subject is your favorite?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, I have math and English homework today.
What time do you finish your homework?
I usually finish my homework by 6 p.m.
Do you spend time with your friends?
Yes, I hang out with my friends after school.
What do you usually do with your friends?
We play basketball or go to the mall.
How often do you see your friends?
I see them almost every day.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I like making new friends.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I usually visit the beach during summer.
Do you prefer traveling by car or by plane?
I prefer traveling by plane because it's faster.
Do you have any travel plans?
Yes, I plan to visit Dubai next month.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm today.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy staying indoors and reading when it rains.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter because I love the cold.
Does it snow where you live?
No, it doesn't snow here.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to become a doctor.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to the movies with my friends.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Are you going anywhere tomorrow?
No, I'll stay home and relax.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.